Hello children, welcome back to online class of mathematics. Today we are going to revise page 1 to 5 of your maths book, and I'm your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Now this is revision test 1. So children, look at the first question. Write the number names. So children, in the first question you have to write the number names. Means you have to write in words. Numbers are given and you have to write in words. Now second question is carry on the pattern. So children, here some numbers are given. You have to observe the pattern and then you have to write the next 4 numbers following the same pattern. Look at question 3. What comes before and after? Children, here a number is given and you have to write its before number and after number. Means you have to write the number comes before it and the number comes after it. Now children, question 4. Write in the short form. Children, here expanded form of a number is given and you have to write its short form. Now question 5. Write in the expanded or long form. Children, here expanded form means long form. Some numbers are given and you have to write them in expanded form. Expanded form means you have to add the place value of all the digits. Now children, check your answers. Question 1, write the number names. Now look at the answers children. First part, the answer is 14. Fourteen. Spelling of 14 is Fourteen. Now the next part, the number is 28. The spelling of 28 is Twenty 28. EIGHT. Twenty EIGHT 8. 28. Next part, the number is 43. Now children, the spelling of 43 is FORTY 40 THREE 3. 43. FORTY 40 THREE 3. 43. Next part, the number is 66. SIXTY 60. SIX 6. 66. SIXTY 60. SIX 6. 66. Now the next number is 73. SEVENTY 73. THREE 3. SEVENTY 70 THREE 3 73. Now children, last part F. The number is 92. Spelling of 92 is NINETY 90 2 TWO 2. NINETY 90 TWO 2 92. Now children, look at the next question. Next question is carry on the pattern. Now look at the answer. Children, here look at the first part. You will see that three numbers are given, that is 28, 30 and 32. So children, first observe the pattern here. You will see that on each step the number is increasing by 2. So the next four numbers will be 34, then 36, then 38 and 40. Now children, look at the next part. Here the numbers are 15, 20 and 25. Children, look at the numbers and observe the pattern carefully. You will see that on each step the number is increasing by 5. So the next number is 30. Then the next number will be 35. Next number will be 40. And the next number will be 45. So these are the four next numbers. Now children, question third. What comes before and after? Children, here number is given and you have to find out before number and after number. So look at the first part. The number is 59. So children, tell me what comes before 59? Yes, 58. And what comes after 59? 60. Now look at the next part children, B. Here the number is 67. Now children, what comes before 67? That is 66. And what comes after 67? 68. Next part, the number is 30. Children, what comes before 30? 29. And what comes after 30? 31. Next part, here the number is 95. Now children, tell me what comes before 95? 94. And what comes after 95? 96. Now children, next question, question 4, write in the short form. Children, in this question, expanded form of a number is given and you have to write its short form. So look at the first part. 20 plus 5. Children, here you will see that there are two tens. So it means 2 is at tens place. So write 2 at tens place. Now you will see there are 5 ones. It means 5 is at ones place. So write 5 at ones place. So the short form of 20 plus 5 is 25. Now next part B, 50 plus 3. Children, here there are 5 tens. So write 5 at tens place. And there are 3 ones. So write 3 at ones place. So children, the short form of 50 plus 3 is 53. Now C part, the expanded form is 70 plus 7. Children, here there are 7 tens. So write 7 at tens place. And there are 7 ones. So now write 7 at ones place. So children, the number is 77. Now children, next question, question 5. Write in the expanded form. Children, expanded form means long form. Look at the first part. The number is 42. Children, in expanded form, we add the place value of all the digits of a number. So here the number is 42. Now tell me, what is the place value of 4? Yes, 40. And what is the place value of 2? Yes, 2. So here the expanded form is of 42 is 40 plus 2. Now next part, look at the next part. The number is 83. Children, you will see that 8 is at tens place. So its place value is 80 and 3 is at ones place. So the place value of 3 is 3. So the expanded form of 83 is 80 plus 3. C part, here the number is 26. Children, 2 is at tens place. So its place value is 20. And 6 is at ones place. So its place value is 6. So children, the expanded form of 26 is 20 plus 6. Now children, your homework is practice from page number 6 to page 10 for revision test. Thank you.